It is a collection of t-shirts that are hung up on clotheslines that share individual stories, survivors and also victims of individuals who have dealt with sexual assault and or domestic violence in their lifetime. The purpose of the exhibit is to just bring awareness to the community, bringing light to the fact that people do experience domestic abuse, sexual assault, and that it is up to the other individuals in society to bring that awareness to the problem. So hopefully things can maybe start being done about it. The red shirts that you see are going to be representing children who have witnessed domestic violence in their home or have experienced domestic violence. The white shirts are representative of individuals who have actually died because of sexual assault or domestic violence. So loved ones have made the shirts in remembrance of those individuals. The yellow shirts signify an individual who has been battered, and that does not necessarily only mean physically battered. That can also mean verbally, emotionally, mentally, things of that sort. The blue shirts represent individuals who have survived childhood sexual assault and or incest in the home. Orange shirts or pink shirts represent those who have experienced sexual assault and or rape. The sounds each represent something. The gong that you're going to hear is going to go off every 10 to 12 seconds, and that represents a woman being battered in the U.S. That whistle represents a woman that has reported rape. And the bell signifies a woman who has actually died of domestic violence. We have another exhibit in the Clothesline Project, which is called An Empty Place at the Table. What we have there are places set up for individuals who have died as a result of sexual assault and or domestic violence. A significant place at that table is Drew Shadeen, who was a UND student who was kidnapped, raped, and murdered about 11 years ago now. So she has a place at the table with personal effects that her parents brought over for us to show. I think UND has an amazing role in this project. We do host the largest clothesline project in the state of North Dakota. It gives us a unique opportunity, not only in the city of Grand Forks, but also other areas around, to create that awareness and to shed light on this issue. And then of course the Women's Center that we have on campus is also a great resource for students and people in the community to come and get resources from us and ask questions and also just have us do outreach and projects like the Clothesline Project you'll see behind us. So I think UND is great in the sense that it serves as kind of a megaphone, if you will, to this problem and bringing awareness to this problem.
It's just sad to see. It makes me angry. I've experienced some of it in my past, and obviously not to the extent of some of those t-shirts in there. And just trying to put yourself in that person's shoes is a very powerful experience. It just makes you want to try and fix it somehow.
I am very glad that the university allows this to happen here because people need to know that it's still an issue. Violence is still ongoing and it needs to end, as well as those people that have had violence in their life need to know that it's okay to seek help and to find help and to become a survivor advocate instead of just an unspoken victim.
I'm really glad that UND is participating in it because it's important to understand and not, blame the people who suffer this sort of abuse, and kind of see things from their point of view can help us to help them.